Hi everybody. So this is my second video on my series of circles and 3 points along with circumference. So in example 2, we're told that the points J is at -4 and 3, K is at the point 7 and 4, and L is at the point -3 and -8, and these lie along the circumference of a circle. For part A, we've been asked to show that L to K is the diameter of a circle, and then for part B, we've been asked to find the equation of a circle. So for part A, to show that L to K is the diameter of our circle, we can use the circle theorem. Now the angle at the centre of our circle, which will be 180 degrees, will be half the angle at the circumference, which will make angle LJK 90 degrees. Now if this angle is 90 degrees, it makes the chord J to K perpendicular to the chord J to L. And this means we can use the perpendicular gradient property of these two chords, where the gradient of J to K, when multiplied by the gradient of J to L, will give us a product of -1. So all we need to do now is to find the gradient of each of these chords. The gradient of J to K will be the change in Y, which is 4 take away the 3, so 1, divided by the change in X, which is 7 take away the -4, so 11. The gradient of J to L, we can work out using the same idea, the change in Y, so -8 take away the 3, -11, over the change in X, -3 take away the -4. And you can see that 1 over 11 multiplied by -11 over 1 does give us a product of -1. So this proves that this angle equals 90 degrees, which means this angle must equal 180. So the angle at the centre is double the angle at the circumference. So L to K is the diameter of this circle. For part B, find the equation of a circle. So we know this is the diameter, which means the centre will lie exactly halfway along this length, and we can work out the centre by finding the midpoint of L to K. So to find the midpoint of a line segment, we'll find the average of the x values, so 7 take away 3 divided by 2, and we'll find the average of the y values, 4 add -8 divided by 2. So the midpoint will be 2 and -2. So the centre will be approximately here at 2, -2. Now we can work out the radius using Pythagoras' theorem, and that'll be the distance from the centre to the circumference, which I'm taking at point K. So I can make this into a right angled triangle. We know the base will be from 2 to 7, so this will be 5. And the height will be from -2 to 4, this will be 6. So the radius, using Pythagoras' theorem, will be the square root of 6 squared plus 5 squared, or square root of 61. So finally, the equation of a circle will be x minus 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared, and this will equal the radius squared, 61. Okay?